Surprise! Your girl is back and with a whole new look. I cut off about 10 to 12 inches of hair, including all my bleached highlights, and I'm loving this new hairstyle and this whole new vibe I have going on for the new year. Hopefully you guys love it too, and in today's video, I'm going to show you my step-by-step, start to finish of how I style my short cut with finger coils. I've done a lot of refreshing videos already on my Instagram and TikTok, but haven't posted a full wash day tutorial yet, so let's get into it. Starting off by combing through my curls with my detangling brush from my hair brand Minya Beauty, then applying a light leave-in conditioner. I've been replacing my curl creams with lighter leave-ins for my short hair because they're so much lighter and don't weigh my curls down. Parting my hair is also going to make it easier to apply products and do my finger coils in sections. Next, I'm going in with my Maui Moisture Curl Oil Gel and applying a small amount throughout the sections. Then I'm going to start finger coiling. I don't do this every wash day, but it's something I do when I know I want more definition and bounce for my curls. My hair tends to curl forward, so I'm following the natural pattern of the curl and just doing a quick twirl with my finger, then scrunching each section once completed. Since getting this cut, I've received a lot of questions about why I cut my hair and what happened to make me cut my hair this short. I've also received questions on how to maintain this style, what I asked my stylist for, as well as the best products to use. So if you guys are interested in a separate video covering all of that, I'd love for you to leave any questions you have in the comments so I can cover everything in a Q&A video for you guys. So now that we have all the hair finger coiled and styled, I'm taking my Minya Anti-Frizz finishing towel and gently scrunching my curls. This is going to absorb the excess water and product from the hair while encouraging the hair to form a tighter curl without adding any frizz. Finishing off my hair with a bit of mousse. This mousse has been probably my favorite styling product for my short cut because it has such a great hold without being heavy, and the foam texture has been a game changer for refreshing as well. I'll leave a link for everything I used in the description box so you guys can check them out. And to dry my hair, I'm using my Minya Beauty Defining Diffuser and using a medium heat and high speed. Once my hair is almost completely dry, I like to take the attachment off and use the nozzle to hit the roots. This is going to add in some extra volume and make sure my roots are completely dry. Once my hair is 100% dry, I'm taking a hair serum and separating the curl clumps, and in this case where I finger coiled, there should be quite a few to go through and separate, so a serum or oil will help to seal the curls and help reduce frizz along the way. To add some volume and finish up my wash and go, I'm using hairspray and my Minya volumizing hair pick and gently fluffing my hair at the root. Spraying the hair pick with hairspray is a great hack to create texture on the root and add a bit of hold. Alright guys, so we are done. Give yourself a nice little pat on the back if you made it through the whole wash day, because I'm about to give myself one too. That was a lot of steps, but these results speak for themselves. I'm absolutely loving this cut and I feel like it's so fun and youthful, and I'm just enjoying this hair reset and this new hair journey that I'm on. Let me know what you guys think of this new hairstyle and this new cut, and don't forget to comment your questions so I can address everything in a new video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in my next one.